Hey everyone, it's Kevin Tomorrow with strama.ai. Today's video, we're going to do a quick update demo, see what the latest and greatest is with Strama. So let's go ahead and dive in. So first things first, let's go ahead and let's add a list of prospects to Sequence. So in order to do that, I can either take a list of LinkedIn URLs, copy that in here, or I can take a CSV, download this from Salesforce or HubSpot, Zoom Info, Apollo, wherever you kind of have your lead list from. And in this case, I'll just drag and drop a CSV into here. And the important thing with the CSV is that we just need two headers, the LinkedIn URL and the email. And once we have that, we'll take care of the rest. From there, we want to define how long or how short we want our sequences. So we have three options: short, medium, long. You kind of get the gist, right? Short might be a little bit more SMB tailored. Medium is going to be 6 touch points over 4 weeks. Longer is going to be more of kind of an enterprise cadence. So just for sake of time, let's just choose short. And then I'm going to generate sequences for those six contacts. Now, in my demo account right now, so I've already gone ahead and just generated that ahead of time for sake of time. And, you know, what we do is that we put this into a pending approval state. That means that the sequences have been generated and they are ready to send. If you feel so comfortable with it, you can go ahead and choose who you feel good about, or who you want which sequences you want to start. We can click approve, fire those out. Now we do like having a human in the loop component, which is why we put this in a pending approval state. I'll understand that people might want to check the work that Strom is doing on the back end. So if you want to do that, you go ahead, find a contact. Let's take Julie, for example. And we could take a look at the research that Strom is doing on Julie, just both personally as well as on her company. So in this case, Accenture. And then we can take a look at the sequence that we are generating. So the flow of that sequence, the time between each steps, we can edit that time. And then in the email itself, we can see that research that we were talking about integrated into this email. Now, those aren't the only components. We're also integrating research about yourself, your own profile, about your own company and offerings, and if you're using our Gmail integration, we can also pull in your writing style. So your tone, words that you use, uh, sentence structure, paragraph structure. We can really bring that in because what we want to do is we want to really personalize beyond just that first opening hook. Obviously, that's great. It's kind of what we're all used to in these early use cases for AI within outbound. But what was important for us is, hey, how can we actually drive authenticity so that, your fingerprints are all over this email? And so beyond just that first line, what we're doing here with Julie is that we want to talk at more of a strategic level. She is a CEO, and we want to interweave this throughout her email, right? So referencing the work they're doing with Best Buy, with Virgin Media, um, and yeah, again, kind of tying it back into that opening sentence. So you really have aspects of that personalization authenticity in really every other line or every line of this email. So it looks like I really took the time to go through this. Now we realize there's times where, hey, there might be some slight changes you want to make. So we do have an email editor built in. If we wanted to take more broad stroke approach to this, we can use our revise with AI button. And what this allows us to do is make some broad page stroke changes to the entire sequence. So if I find the whole sequence, the emails are too long, I can go ahead and go in here and just shorten the emails. Or hey, I need more social proofs, more case studies, more examples, provided you have those and you've given those to us. Um, and we can do it all right here without having to edit every single email. So a couple of options there. Now, once that's ready to go, we can then go ahead and click approve, and that's going to send our sequence, and we're off and running. So that was key things that we wanted to review today. I think that's kind of the latest in terms of our UI and how things are operating. If you have any feedback for us, feel free to let us know. We are always looking to improve and get better, and make this more usable, for anyone. So, uh, yeah, hopefully, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. If you want to try it, feel free to reach out or sign up on strama.ai/onboard. It'll just take you right into that onboarding flow. walking you through how to set up a first sequence. So thanks for the time, and hope we talk to you soon. All right, bye bye.